A glimpse of the 2024 edition of the Garden Necklace Yokohama. Grabe, ang ganda. The best. Grabe guys. Ganda kayo dito. Ang ganda. Ayan, bongga talaga ng Yokohama. I love Yokohama! Hi guys! Welcome to Marianga YouTube channel. Today's Friday. Thanks God it's Friday. And someone fetched me from my work and we're gonna have a flower viewing in Yamashita area. See you there! First time akong sinundo ni Land Cruiser. This is my hospital. I'm working in this hospital. Here we are. Welcome to Yamashita Park. Here in Yamashita Koen, you will enjoy or you can stay here in Hotel New Grand and enjoy the view seeing Yokohama from this tower, Marine Tower. At syempre itong mga flowers. Napakaganda. At itong famous na Hikawa Maru Yokohama. It is a museum ship which is permanently docked here. As a flower lover, I was very excited that every year the city organizes an event called Garden Necklace Yokohama. From month of March to June, Yokohama's park and gardens celebrate springs with impressive flowers displays. By the way, I would like to thank Ate Aiko of Kasai for my outfit. So thank you to Michelle Ono for my gorgeous Christian Dior scarf. Ang daming kalapate. Ginugutom ako. Sarap mag-adobo. Joke. Oh, see, ang ganda ng view dito, guys. And they having a big event, Belgian Beer Weekend. Wow, and ang daming pagkain. Belgian food, Belgian beer, because today, May 17, it's Belgian Beer Weekend. Ayan. At dito ginanap ang aking birthday, Marine Tower. I miss it. You can bring your sheets and have a picnic here. Oh, nice! Ganda sa Japan, ang daming pwedeng mapaglibangan. Yun yung Gundam sa dulo na wala na siya, inalis na dito sa Yokohama. It will transfer somewhere, I don't know. Bye, Gundam. Guys, you don't need an air freshener dito sa place na to. Yung air fragrance para sa kwarto. It really smells rose, floral. Wonderful. Can you hear the sound, guys? Pati mga birds nag-e-enjoy. Famous cruise in Yokohama. At ang friendship, sign of friendship, ang Girl Scout. Grabe, ang ganda. The best. Ganda kayo dito. Ang ganda. Sanseng na hako?
50円。コインが10枚。
Sanseng na hako goju yen. Kore. De, jumai haitiru.
で、グラスはこれ買ってもらえる。
Ah, kao, no? Ah, sorry. Ayan na magiging ano mo, coins pambayad sa mga dito sa mga booth. Oh. Wow! Wow, look at this. Isang panlinis sila ng glass. Bongga. Wow. Clear. My glass is ready for a toast. Walang non-alcoholic beer. Non-alcoholic. I wanna go to the toilet. Guys, I wanted to go to the toilet and I was afraid kasi medyo may image na pag public toilet sa mga park is mabaho, ganyan, stinky, mapanghe. And I'm thinking to go to this area sa mga hotel o kaya McDonald's o kaya dito sa pinagpartihan ko dyan sa Marine Tower para maki-CR. But to find out na ang linis at hindi naman mabaho ang CR ng Yamashita Koen. So guys, you can go and visit toilet of Yamashita Koen. Naningay ka na. That's why protein.
De, これがいいって。
私はベルギーで作ってるビール。
Suyoy?
これは 5%。こっちは強いですけど、こっちは飲みやすい。
Ah, okay. So let's try. Let's try. Pero mo Belgian beer? Nihon na beer?
私がベルギーで作ってるビール。
Ah!
これ4枚です。
Okay. It costs 4 coins. Wow.
日本人が作ってるんだ。
Oh!
よっぽど普段ね。
Kakuy! Itadakimasu! Kampai! Hey guys, I have a glass of beer! Cheers! Salute to Belgian beer weekend! Kampai! This is Maringa, Filipina saying, Kampai! Salute! Mabuhay! Every food has a price. For example, what we bought, Daddy bought edamame, you need to pay 2 coins. And then, yung shrimp fried, you need to pay 4 coins. Ayan. So, yan yung mga presyo ng bawat pagkain. No need to pay for cash, just a coin, plastic coin. And for me, 4 coins. Beer, come by! Ang sarap niya. It's a Belgian beer, but the one who made this beer is a Japanese. Kampai! Ang galing! So this is our order. Yung fried shrimp, edamame, and my beer! Lobster. Corn shrimp. Corn shrimp. Hipon na hipon. Gutom na ba ako? I think I'm hungry but taste masarap. Delicious. Alright guys, ubos na yung 1 glass of beer natin. Wala nang budget. Marianga has no budget anymore, so we're just gonna wash this and bring it at home. Sabay na tayo minom. Ang mahal eh. A little expensive, but it really tastes good pag dito ka uminom ng beer. And the beer itself is really good. Masarap. Guys, even my beer is expensive. I guarantee it tastes good. At yung environment, yung kanyang雰囲気, may enjoy mo talaga yung lasa ng beer because of this ambience. Nice event. Nice business technique though. Dahil mahaba na pila doon, dito na sila sa washer naghuhugas ng kanilang glass. Mag-enjoy ka rin. Day or night, may enjoy mo ang Hello Belgium. Ang event na to. But I think you will enjoy it more if it's night. Kasi mga ganda ng mga lights. Light up. This is the Belgian Beer Weekend. Is the finest occasion to explore the world of Belgian beer. It costs 3,750 yen. Magbabayad ka ng token to get a glass of beer. And you can rinse your glass if you want to get another beer. So per coin is 275 yen. Coin for 4 coins is 1,100 yen. So yung beer na ininom ko kanina, it cost 1,100 yen. Ha! That's expensive, but it's okay. It tastes good. And guys, I suggest na kung pupunta kayo dito sa Yamashita Koen, yung event nila sa Belgian weekend, the Belgian Beer Weekend, if you're gonna visit this place, I advise na wag kayong magdadrive, wag kayong magdadala ng sasakyan. Come here by train para ma-enjoy nyo yung beer. Makainom kayo ng madami. Ayan, okay? Kasi if you go by car, you need to park your car here and you need to pay for the parking fee. Imbis na pambayad mo ng parking fee, pang drink mo lang ng glass of beer, right? So if I were you guys, please visit this place by train. Mas may enjoy mo pa at uuwi ka ng lengot-lengot, matulog ka na lang sa train.
料金が1040円。
1040円。
これはサービス券効果。
Takayo! Mahal daw. Time to go home. Yeah. And we're here. Yokohama's famous Chinatown. Akarenga. They also have a different event here. Car event, oh.
なんかやってる。テント張ってる。あ、車だ。
I love Yokohama! Oh, bongga! Only here in Yokohama, Japan! Let's see it here. Awesome! Yan, oh, bongga talaga ng Yokohama. Ganda! Ah! Yung mga nagsashout sila. They're yelling because it's thrilling ride. Walang masyadong tao dito. Nandun lahat sa Yamashita Koen. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. While the roses are still blooming here in Yamashita Koen, please visit. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya! Sa muling pagkikita. And see you next time. See ya! And that's all for today. I'm going home now. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next time on my next vlog. See ya! God bless everyone. Thanks God, it's Friday! I love Yokohama!